In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT with the new Canva plugin to create reels. Today, we're going to use ChatGPT with the Canva plugin to create a motivational reel. If you will need the paid ChatGPT version to be able to add the plugin. So if you don't have it, the link is below. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the plugin. I already have it installed, but I'll show you how to add the plugin to the paid version of ChatGPT. So you'll select here, you'll go to the plugin store, you'll type Canva, you'll see it pop up here, then you'll hit install. I have it already installed, so that's why you see this right here. Then once it's installed, you'll close out the plugin store. You'll go back up here, you'll select your Canva plugin, and then you'll go to the prompt area where you type your prompt. The prompt I'll be using is create a viral motivational Instagram reel using Canva plugin. I'm going to include my profile so it automatically has my niche, what I do, and everything in there. Hit send. And now it's going to use the plugin to create the reels. So here we have the reels that it created. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all you have to do to edit those reels is just click on the link and it'll take you straight to Canva where you'll be able to edit the text, the font to what you want it. And you can just edit it, add your logo. Then add some music. Go to apps, type in music. Add that to the track. Then we complete.